Woodcut Tech, home of the world's most powerful forestry machines. We bring you up-close footage of cutting-edge timber harvesting tech, where mechanical might conquers nature. You've got a front row seat for true gearheads. Let's roll. This wood processor is an engineering marvel, pumping 80 liters per minute with unstoppable force. Its razor-sharp blades slice through the toughest logs like a hot knife through butter, delivering relentless, precision-cut power. The operation is seamless, smoother, and more efficient than industry standards demand. More than just machinery, it's mechanical wizardry, transforming raw timber into refined products in seconds. Witness the perfect fusion of raw destruction and flawless accuracy. The Frontier OS-27 represents a fascinating convergence of compact design and industrial capability. This unassuming machine quietly defies expectations, transforming raw timber into precision-cut components with remarkable efficiency. Its blades dance through dense wood with an almost surgical precision, while the motor hums steadily at 80 liters per minute, a testament to thoughtful engineering. What makes it truly intriguing isn't just its $3,647 price point, but how it delivers results typically expected from machines twice its size. The real magic lies in its deceptive simplicity, a no-nonsense workhorse that consistently outperforms its specifications, proving that true innovation often comes in modest packages. Ever ridden an ATV? These compact beasts are pure adrenaline incarnate, like a wild Mustang breaking free from its reins. Just one twist of the throttle transforms the world into your personal off-road arena. Tires snarling at dirt and rock, the engine roaring like a caged predator, and you, the rider, becoming one with this untamable machine. An ATV doesn't let you drive it. It forces you to negotiate with every hill, mud pit, and rocky slope. This isn't transportation, it's a steel and gasoline challenge for those daring enough to test their limits. This industrial grinder is a perfect storm of brute force and razor precision. Its monstrous torque pulverizes even the most stubborn materials in seconds, while its blades slice with surgical accuracy. This isn't just a tool, it's mechanical wizardry that turns tough jobs into child's play. Every operation becomes a breathtaking showcase of power meeting finesse. You'll be stunned watching it triple your expected work speed while making impossible cuts look effortless. Overshadowed by today's high-tech harvesters, the Hypro 300 Gal remains a living legend of forestry, as enduring as ancient timber, as relentless as time itself. Every scratch on its weathered frame tells a story of pioneering days when technology was raw, but determination was invincible. No touchscreens or AI here, just the primal power that mechanized an industry. Before the era of computerized harvesters, there stood a colossus called the Hypro 300 Gal, the original titan that taught us what rugged reliability truly means. Timber hauling is where raw power meets ballet-like precision. These masters of massive machinery tame 80,000-pound beasts through mountain passes and mud pits, their every move a calculated dance of physics and skill. More than just drivers, they're load securement wizards, off-road tacticians, and hydraulic system whisperers rolled into one. Their rigs, armed with walking floor trailers and knuckle-boom cranes, become extensions of their will. Without these modern-day titans, the entire lumber industry would grind to a halt overnight. The RU SP54 TRX stump grinder is an uncompromising beast of raw power and precision. Armed with a 40 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Vanguard EFI engine, it pulverizes even the most stubborn stumps with 12-inch deep cutting capability. Its compact, yet muscular design conquers tight spaces where others fail, while intuitive controls transform complex jobs into effortless work. From residential yards to commercial sites, the SP54 TRX delivers dominating performance, proving true power comes in smart, agile packages that refuse to back down from any challenge. Torx is rewriting the rulebook of automated wood turning. Their next-gen CNC lathes, like the CKI 1500-2500 and CKX 600-300 SL, are engineering marvels, featuring pneumatic loading systems that dance with precision, micron-sharp independent cutting tools, and creative capabilities that shatter conventional limits. These aren't just wood lathes, they're ultimate creative partners that transform wildest ideas into tangible masterpieces. Whether for small batch production or one-of-a-kind artistry, Torx machines are for those who refuse to settle for ordinary craftsmanship. The current wood-splitting process fails to showcase the machine's true potential. Flying debris obscures its precision engineering, while the jerky initial movements, like a hydraulic system's angry outburst, create all the wrong first impressions. This isn't a technological flaw, but a golden opportunity. Optimize feed rates, balance hydraulic pressure, and redesign the splitting sequence to transform this demo from messy to mesmerizing. A premium machine deserves a flawless performance worthy of its craftsmanship. This Galician pine sawmill is an industrial masterpiece, where every cut represents perfect optimization. Its lightning-fast processing speed and seamless log handling system leave viewers in awe. More than just a production line, it's a flawless dance between human skill and cutting-edge technology, with every second fine-tuned for peak performance. a living testament to how traditional craftsmanship and modern innovation can create miracles together. This Galician pine sawmill is an industrial masterpiece, where every cut represents perfect optimization. Its lightning-fast processing speed and seamless log handling system leave viewers in awe. More than just a production line, it's a flawless dance between human skill and cutting-edge technology, with every second fine-tuned for peak performance. A living testament to how traditional craftsmanship and modern innovation can create miracles together. Tired of wasting hours on chipper jams? The Gandini Energy 4075 is your ultimate game changer. Its proprietary no-stress and no-block systems, paired with high-grip rollers, pulverize even the toughest branches into perfectly uniform chips in seconds. No more downtime, no more frustration, just relentless productivity that boosts your bottom line by 20%. This isn't just a wood chipper. It's a profit-printing powerhouse that turns your biggest headaches into your most valuable asset. You think debarking trees is just a mundane task? Watch the Rosserhead debarker turn it into a spectacular performance. This machine operates like a true mechanical dancer. Every cut is a perfect blend of tremendous hydraulic power and millimeter precision. Feel the satisfaction as the rough bark peels away to reveal wood smooth as silk, ready for exquisite craftsmanship. This isn't just machinery. It's a technological marvel that transforms raw material into a masterpiece. The Amazon HF 8002 Speed Cone Splitter, Kamasu Excavator's ultimate wood-wrecking weapon. This beast devours logs up to 45 feet long with its massive 32 by 16-inch cone, 1,750 pounds, making it the perfect attachment for 3.5 to 35-ton machines. Its genius dual-speed system auto-shifts between power and speed modes, while 5,000 psi hydraulic pressure turns the toughest logs into firewood in seconds. This isn't an attachment. It's a productivity revolution that laughs at hardwood challenges. The Swider wood splitter redefines efficiency with its revolutionary Christmas tree thread design, 15mm pitch, just 2.5mm depth. That requires 40% less power and torque compared to standard screw-type splitters. Operating smoothly at 1400 RPM with only 7.5 kilowatt power input, it handles even the toughest hardwoods with astonishing ease. This isn't just a wood splitter. It's a masterclass in energy-efficient engineering that makes stubborn logs surrender effortlessly. The Birch Series 2025, a versatile wood splitter with 17 tons of splitting force, featuring intelligent automation systems. Its flexible wedge lift and log lift mechanisms, combined with the optimized easy slide surface, streamline the splitting process. With specialized capabilities for resplitting and processing small diameter logs, this represents cutting-edge engineering for professional woodworking shops. Splitting wood has never been this easy. With a mounted hydraulic log splitter featuring a powerful Cyclops cylinder, you can effortlessly split even the toughest oak logs. This DIY log splitter runs on a tractor hydraulic system with a 100 Lmin flow rate, delivering unmatched power and reliability. The control valve ensures precise operation, while the rugged design makes splitting fast and efficient. Build your own machine and enjoy the results.
Горел, схватили! Whoa!
The truck sways gently under the weight of freshly split oak logs, the scent of fresh sap still lingering in the air. Wouldn't using trips make it safer for him and easier on the equipment? Someone asks over the rumble of the engine. The seasoned workers exchange glances, their experienced eyes reflecting a hint of hesitation. Finally, a unanimous nod answers, "Let's try it. Safety comes first." Hey everyone, let me introduce you to the Wood Processing Wizard, a German-made mobile debarking machine that will blow your mind. This beast crushes jobs at insane speeds, delivers unmatched performance, and shoots sparks like fireworks. A true showcase of engineering power that'll make any woodworker's jaw drop. This powerhouse pairs a repeater wedge system with brutal 37-ton splitting force to mass-produce perfect 3x3-inch firewood chunks, ready for bundling straight off the conveyor. Watch it vomit out uniform pieces like a wood-chomping assembly line, while the auto-cycle feature keeps production humming. No more guesswork, just stackable, sale-ready firewood at 2 cords per hour. Efficiency? This isn't a machine, it's a firewood printing press. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content. See you in the next one.